What's up, guys? Welcome to another video here. We're checking out some cool things that is happening here in the office. Today we're going to be unboxing this two speakers here. We have the R5650 W2 in-wall speaker. I have two of these, but we're only going to be unboxing one. And then this one we have the R5502 W2 in-wall center channel. So these are both the reference ones, you know, not the pros, the Klipsch reference speakers. So hopefully they're pretty good. They will be replacing my mica ooze that I have here in the front. Gonna have two of these in the center channel, and the mica ooze are actually gonna be in the back for the 5.1.2. No, 2 is at most. Sorry, scratch that. That's not right. It's 5.1. So we're gonna have a 5.1 here in the office for now. It's gonna be, well, two of these, one of these, and then my mica ooze are gonna be in the back. I didn't want to buy any other speakers since I already had those. So I just gone ahead and transfer those to the back. Enough talk. Let's go ahead and get started with these bad boys here. So let's go ahead and get started with the other one. Get rid of this one here so we can have space. Alrighty. I actually got these for $191, which is actually not a bad price at all. I think they retail for around 3 something. Amazon had them for $191. And I went ahead and got them from Crutchfield. They went ahead and matched the price, so thank you to Crutchfield. It was pretty awesome. Got them shipped pretty quick. Got them in. Now I will be doing an install video installing the left, right, and the center channel, so stay tuned for that. If you want to learn how to install these things. Now I do not have any pre-wire, so I'm gonna have to add on my own wire, make some holes, try to cable manage them as much as possible. So stay tuned for that. Here we have the template for the wall. Put this on the wall, trace it out, cut it out, pop your speaker in. Here we have the Klipsch manual. Architectural speakers is what it says. Here, oh, this is heavy. Is it attached to the speaker already? Oh, yeah, I think it's it's magnetized. So, of course, here's the grill that was attached to the speakers because it's magnet. So you just pop it right on there. This thing's huge. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. This bad boy looks clean. So we have here the copper dome. Go ahead and get this out of the way. Let's go ahead and get it out of the plastic. This is huge. Look at this. Check this out. Looks clean, don't it? Yes, it does. Here we have the speaker terminals where you plug in your wires. Cut the wire, stick it in here, clip, boom, speaker ready to rock. Pop it into the wall, boom. These here are clips that once you screw on the other side, they will grab the drywall and stay in the wall in place. So this is gonna be pretty awesome. This is plastic here, all plastic. Now the tweeter here should, let's see if we can get a good angle on this. It should turn. Yeah, there it goes. So that You can face it where you need to face it for a better listening position. All right, so that's this speaker here. Let's go ahead and put this back in the plastic. I think it's a 5/4 or 4-inch woofer. Not 100% sure on that. So look it up online, or maybe I'll have it down here somewhere to show what it is. There's that. That's gonna be the left and the right. Here, what we're gonna have in the channel for the theater, which is gonna be amazing. I lost my scissors. Here we go. Now, when I got this box, I was like, this is pretty big, so it's gonna be some pretty big holes in the wall, but it's gonna be worth it. Now, as you saw, there was no tape there. I actually bought this one used on Amazon, so hopefully it works. I don't see why not. So it was pre-owned on Amazon. Let's go ahead and get it out. Okay, it's taped. Boom. So we have this here, which, let's see. Gotta be careful, make sure it's not the grill. You don't want to scratch that. Have a big old scratch on the front of it. Now, if it is the grill, protect it, so, but still be careful while cutting it. So it is the grill, as you can see. Nice white grill, which is paintable, so that's good. I don't think this is the template, but let's keep going. More manual stuff. Okay, cool. Here is the template for the center channel. As you can see, template. So you shouldn't get it confused. Now you make sure that you use this one for the center channel only, and the other ones for your left and right or back or whichever ones. Make sure you use the right template for the right speaker. Oh, where's Fast Boys Heavy? Let's get this out of the way. Look at this. Looks beautiful. 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 All right, let's get it out of here. This one's actually heavier than the other ones, I'm guessing, because it has 2 woofers, 2 magnets. Let's take a look at the back here. Nice wires, nice connections. Again, your speaker terminals where your wires go in. It's not focusing. There you go. And this one will be like this. As you can see, this will be the center channel just like this. So excited. It's gonna be awesome. And this here, also, the tweeter in the middle moves. So just in case you need to push it down or up or to the side just a little bit, just to make sure you get it right in the correct listening position. Cool. Wow, that's pretty awesome. So, can't wait to get these installed. I'm pretty excited. Check out the receiver that I have that I'm going to use. It is the Sony STRDH790. It is a 7.2.2. I can use that as 3 speakers in the front, 2 in the back, two on the side, or I can actually use, instead of the two on the side, I can use it as a 5.2.2, which the 2 at the end is Atmos. I can use that for the 2 speakers on top instead of the 2 speakers on the side. So this is pretty awesome. I am most likely going to try to use Atmos with this, but like I said earlier, I don't have any pre-wired lines or anything like that, so I will have to like cut hose, make lines while I run wires and stuff like that. If you guys are interested in watching that, hit like, hit subscribe. That video might be coming here soon, but the video of installing the center channel and the 2 left and right, that one will be coming. Nice quick installation tutorial, and then we can see the finished product. But until the next video, I thank you guys for watching. Be safe, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Make sure you guys are ready to rock and roll and enjoy your day. Peace.